Hello! So guys, I'm so excited for today's video because today I'm gonna be following our daddy's Vogue Beauty Secrets makeup and skincare routine. If you don't know who our daddy is, then I don't know what you're doing here. Of course, I'm kidding, guys. So by our daddy, I mean ALEX Cooper. She created a Vogue Beauty Secrets video like a month ago showing her wedding makeup and skincare routine. I love how natural she always keeps her makeup, and even on her wedding day, she had a very natural and pinky kind of makeup and she looked gorgeous. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it.
Hey Vogue, it's ALEX Cooper. Today I'm going to be showing you my skincare routine, and I'm also going to recreate my wedding makeup look. So let's get into it. I have an honest thing to share with you right off the bat. I don't wash my face. Now, please don't judge me. I just realized.
Okay guys, I'm sorry. I don't mean to be this annoying person that stops the video all the time, but I lost her at the moment she said, I don't wash my face. Like, girl, what are you talking about? Okay, let's find out what's going on here.
When I was breaking out a lot, my skin was super oily and it was confused and I was struggling a lot with my skincare. And when I stopped washing my face, all of a sudden, I stopped having pimples. I had no idea what toner was about 2 years ago. So I just put a little bit in my hand here. It is really hydrating to my skin, and everything I put on my face, I want to try to maintain some form of hydration. We all want to look like that Hailey Bieber donut.
Okay, I love that she does her skincare routine before the makeup. This is something that I always talk about on my makeup videos. Okay, I don't have a toner, but I have this facial mist, and this specific one works really nice even as a toner. You can use it before your skincare routine to clean your face. Sometimes I use it with my oil when I want to do guasa, and I also use it above my makeup. You know, sometimes I feel dry and I want some extra hydration, so I spray just a couple of times and it works perfectly. So we'll take one of these cotton pads and I will just go all over my face.
This is the Advanced Snail Mucin. I'll do like 2 little squirts there. I will say this has been the one product that has kept my skin more hydrated, I would say, past 20 minutes. I feel like whenever I'm putting on serums, I find that it feels amazing in the moment. And then all of a sudden I'm like downstairs making my coffee and I'm like, my face is already dry. This keeps me glowing.
I was this close to buy this exact same product she used a couple of days ago. And I didn't buy it because I had so many products on my basket and I was like, girl, do you really need this extra serum right now? And I didn't end up buying it. So unfortunately, I don't have this nail serum, so I'm gonna have to skip this part. Let's see what's next.
The next step, I remember, I think it was like 4 years ago, I saw Hailey Bieber in one of her YouTube videos, and this was sitting in her bathroom, and immediately I'm like online, like I must look like Hailey Bieber and have that skin.
I have this serum right here from Unported with niacinamide propolis. Even though she doesn't wash her face, I'm so glad that she uses many products to moisturize her skin.
Honestly, I would say it was about like 2 years ago I really started to care about my skin, and I know that's insane because I'm 29 years old, but I didn't really know the answers, and there's so much information online, so I just started to kind of eyeball it and try different things, and now I feel like I figured out my place and I know it works for me. This is something I've been using recently and I love it, and it again gives me that hydrated feel, and it can't hurt to be more hydrated.
So next we have moisturizer, and I'm gonna use this one. It's never too late, guys, to start taking care of your skin. Find the right products for your skin type, and only a couple of steps and you're good.
I do find I've started to meditate more. My mother is really into that, so I'm like, you know what, Mom? We're from the same DNA. I should probably lean into that. So I've been trying to meditate more. I'm not gonna lie, it's quite hard with your phone because I'm constantly like, and I'm like looking down at my phone. I'm naturally very fair and I have quite a lot of freckles, so we're trying to mitigate the damage. I'm using this Elta MD.
For sunscreen, I'm using this La Roche-Posay. Such a nice sunscreen. I think I've talked about this one before.
So chapstick is a huge part of my life. Anywhere you look for me, you'll see this chapstick somewhere. Burt's Bees Pomegranate. I really don't even use it for chapstick. I use it because it has this really, really nice tint. Like sometimes Matt will come home and be like, I got you a Burt's Bees, and I'm like, it's not the pomegranate one though, Matt.
Okay, the closest I have to the chopsticks is this Vaseline. So I'm gonna use this one.
Okay, so now on to makeup. Something that was really important to me on my wedding day was making sure I looked like myself. First things first. This is the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer.
Okay, one step at a time, girl. Wait. So here we have the setting spray and here we have this beauty blender. So we're doing the same. And next is using primer. So I'm gonna go straight to this primer. It's an Instapore eraser.
This is my favorite foundation at the moment, the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. It deserves all the hype. I have been wearing this now, I would say, for about a year, and I have never gotten more compliments on my skin.
I couldn't agree more about this foundation. If they stop selling it, I'm done. I'm done, it's over. I'm not the biggest fan when it comes to beauty blenders, and especially when I have to apply foundation. I don't know, it feels like a whole workout right now.
When I'm doing my makeup, I know, don't come for me, okay? I have to constantly wipe my lips off. I have always had an appetite to do more than just podcasting. I went to school for film and television. I always wanted to be a director. I've always wanted to direct a film, which I probably, hopefully at one point will do. Let's manifest it right now. When I saw Alex Earl online and how hard she works on TikTok, I was like, she's a workhorse and she's an animal and she's so smart. And so Alex was the first person for the Unwell Network where when we started to conceptualize it, she really just like embodied everything that I wanted to do. Wait, we have to pause. The Mario contour stick.
So first I'm gonna take one of these baby wipes and I'm gonna clean my lips.
Everything I'm about to draw on my face, I learned from someone else. So this is from actually my makeup artist who did my wedding. And this is not just me randomly painting on my face.
Okay, we're moving to my favorite part. I'm gonna use this contour stick. So used a little bit on her cheekbones, forehead, just a tiny bit on her nose, and on the jawline.
And I'm still obsessed with Call Her Daddy, and I still plan on doing Call Her Daddy, but I have an appetite to do more. We're just kind of blending. Oh my God, I always do this where I almost forget the nose. If we really want to snatch it, you go up.
So also used a little bit here.
If I'm honest, I used to be really, really insecure about my freckles, and I would do foundation to the point where like people would be like, I didn't even know that you had freckles. Now I think it's beautiful to just lean into my skincare and just be like, this is how I was born. Let's lean in.
Don't ever feel embarrassed if you have freckles. I draw faux freckles sometimes because I don't have them. Freckles are beautiful and cute and you should embrace them, not cover them.
Sometimes what I like to do is lightly go back in with the Giorgio. It's really cool because I was talking to everyone that I work with and I recognized that of my list in 2022 of dream guests.
Okay, we're going back with the foundation. And I think she only used it here on her cheeks.
And I think I got 7 out of the 10 dream guests. My dream guest for Call Her Daddy of 2024 would probably be Taylor Swift, obviously. I would be insane if I didn't want Taylor Swift. She is just iconic, and I think she is so incredible and talented, and I love her and I love her music. Taylor, please come on Call Her Daddy. This is a cream blush. It's from Nude Sticks. I use Pink Ice. I love it. It works pretty well. I kind of put it all over my cheeks. I don't know if this is the wrong thing to do, but I think it makes me look alive. The next thing I'm gonna do.
For cream blush, I'm gonna use this one.
Next thing I'm gonna do is my highlighter. It is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's the Glow Seeker highlighter.
For highlighter, I just dropped it. So I was about to say that for highlighter, I'm gonna use this Fenty Beauty. It's the Kilowatt. It was actually the Kilowatt, and I have the shades Lighting Dust and Fire Crystal.
My eyebrows are, how would you say, naturally translucent. So I dye my eyebrows myself because I'm a genius and I'm so good at it. No, I've had a lot of mishaps with my eyebrows. Honestly, it's been a disaster. Because the brows are dyed, we're just gonna go in with this Anastasia brow styling wax. I will be honest, when I was getting married, leading up to my wedding, I was having a mental breakdown because I'm like, when do I dye the brows? And so I did it 4 weeks before my wedding. Thank God I trusted myself. We did the thing, we dyed them, and I think they looked great. And even if they didn't.
So I'm gonna use this Refi Brow Sculpt.
Don't tell me, because for my mental health, we need to just pretend it was amazing. And now I go in and fill it in with a pencil, Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz Dark Brown. So in the front, I basically just do tiny little strokes.
I'm gonna take the Refi Brow Pencil and I'm gonna do the same.
Okay, the last piece of my makeup routine is going to be my mascara. I have like pretty naturally long lashes. My left eye, I was naturally born. This is bright white eyelash and this is a brown eyelash. So whenever I'm dyeing my eyebrows, I also stick a little bit on there. Oh yeah, there's the blonde seeping through, and then this one is naturally brown.
So first we're gonna curl the lashes.
Okay, so I use this Glossier mascara.
And for mascara, I'm gonna use this Wonder Skin Powerful Mascara.
I feel like I could go get married right now. Matt, let's do it again. So obviously, 7th grade Alex on the way to the 7th grade dance would put this on her body and she knew boys were gonna come over. No boys came over. Viva la Juicy. I don't know.
I love that we're using perfume. So this is the one that I'm currently using. I bought it from Zara a couple of months ago and it smells amazing. As you can see, I'm almost out of it.
I don't use it every day, but when I'm feeling like I want to feel cozy and nostalgic, like, put me in. It just gives a little of like this glossy finish. I feel like we killed it.
Okay, so she didn't use lip liner, she went straight away to the lip oil. I'm a little bit disappointed because I always use lip liner on my lips. Even when I have like a full face of no makeup, I still do a little bit of lip liner on my lips and a little bit of brow gel on my brows. But today's her video, so I'm gonna do exactly what she does. So I'm gonna use this lip oil. It's the Wonder Skin, the Lip Rehab Therapy Oil. If you're looking for a good and long-lasting lip oil, definitely buy this one. Okay guys, so that was the last step and here we have the final result. So as you can see, she gives her makeup very natural, but she also gives a little bit of a color, and I personally really like that. This is also how I do my makeup pretty much. Definitely write me in the comments below what you think about this makeup. So guys, I'm gonna love you and leave you. Thank you so much for watching if you come this far. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video because it helps me a lot. You can find me on other platforms, I will have them linked in the description box. Share this video with your friends, your family, or anyone, and I will hopefully see you to my next video.